After about 7 years with this backpack, I can finally say goodbye and hello to this new one that arrived in a trash bag. This is, of course, Linus's new LTT backpack. I'm sure pretty much everyone who is at all interested in this has seen this before, or at least knows about it. Oh, it comes with a carabiner. I did not know that. That's really cool. I love using these things because, as you might notice on my old backpack, I can hook stuff to it, and I usually do all the time. It's a really nice feature. Anyway, so yeah, first impressions wise, well, it's very light. I like the material so far. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than I'm used to. It's my old backpack, years of wear. This is a 3-day bag, by the way. So it's kind of flat now because it's been worn out. This is brand new. Still got all the rigidity that you could probably get in a brand new backpack. All right, I don't know. So why did I get this backpack? Well, a few reasons. One, I want to support fellow creators, but also two, I've been looking for a new backpack to replace this for a while now. This one's got holes in it and is just starting to show its age. The bottom of it's wearing out. I can literally see sunlight or light through the bottom of the bag. And I wanted a new bag that had some features similar to this, but didn't have this same style. And what I mean by that, I mean those like loops that I mentioned earlier where you can hook carabiners to and other things to, like water bottles or dump pouches or just whatever you might want. And so the LTT bag has that, which is nice. And it also looks like a normal backpack. And I don't know, I just wanted something a little bit more normal looking, finally. So those are the primary reasons. And there's one thing that almost stopped me from buying this bag is it doesn't have an external pouch for liquids, which is something I used to have in a backpack I like carried all through high school and college before I got this one, or the other one. That would have been nice to have on this, but honestly, not a big deal. My old backpack, this one, doesn't have that either, so it's not like I'm really missing out, but it is one feature that I was kind of looking forward to. But anyway, this thing is massive. So this is awesome. Another reason why I wanted this bag is because I like to use my bags for multi-purposes. In my old book bag, I have taken this through sand, swamps, forests, mountains, airplanes, all sorts of road trips, pretty much everywhere with me for 7 years. It is my current tech bag. I take it to me with the job sites. When I go to people's houses and run network cable, whatever it may be, this thing goes everywhere with me. I use it all the time. So I wanted something that could also take its place as a work bag and be my tech bag, but I also wanted it for travel as well. So if I go on a trip, I could put all of my clothes in here, which this is absolutely massive for. And you know, this will last me all weekend, I think. Like I could probably fit enough clothes in here for the entire weekend, maybe 4 days, probably. And then of course, I'm assuming back here is where all of the electronics will go. And I'm not really used to taking too many electronics with me. Usually just a laptop, maybe a second laptop if needed, and just lots and lots of tools. Oh wow, this padding down here is really nice. It's gonna be hard to show you guys, but there's like a really soft padding here. Not quite microfiber, but kind of reminds me of like a ShamWow or one of those claws that you use to pick up water. It's very soft, I like that. But anyway, so yeah, that's the particular interest here. So clothes here, tech here, and tools, I guess, in the front. Whoa, this will be cool to have. I didn't know this opened all the way up. Oh wow, that'll be real nice to have. So I can put all my tools up front, have quick access to that, can throw, I don't know, just random stuff in there that I might need. Wow, these zippers are nice. Maybe some USB thumb drives, SD cards. Ooh, a pencil and pen, that'd be nice. Tools, yeah, screwdriver in here. Yeah, so I think that's about good or perfect. What's up here? Oh, this is perfect too. Oh, this is gonna be so nice. So I like these little small pouches at the very top here because I put so much random garbage in there. So just to give you an example, in the top pouch of my old backpack, I have Post-it notes, headphones, I have packs of sugar, a knife, a plastic knife that I'll probably never use, pencil, Sharpie, matches, you never know when you need matches, and some pennies that will never get used because no one can take change. And I'll put all sorts of things in here, sometimes even Velcro straps. I can't get this one off. I like to carry Velcro with me, and what's cool about this backpack is it sticks to this, so I can just always have one no matter what. Oh, wait, I guess I'm out. Anyway, so I love the pouch at the top because you can stick anything you want in there really quickly. It looks like it might fit a phone in there. I don't have a phone on me. Looks like I could get a phone in there too if I really wanted. Maybe some sunglasses, that would be really nice. I'm always afraid to put sunglasses in this one because it's got no rigidity, no real protection. And this bag, it's really soft, that almost like that. Oh yeah, it's very similar to a very like nice tech or monitor or screen wipe, maybe like a cloth for cleaning screens. That's what that material is. It's very nice. Probably put my sunglasses in there because I never have a place for my sunglasses. I normally like hang them off one of these loops, which I could do here too. This thing's got loops everywhere. Oh, sunglasses can go here. That'd be nice. Maybe on this side. This one was cool too. So like if I had a radio and if I was like out in the woods, looks like I can also put a radio on here. Should be nice. Little tuck away for whatever these straps are called. Wow. Okay, so let's see if I can get everything from my old bag into the new one, which obviously I can because they are one's obviously way bigger than the other one. All right, so adapter cables. Extra charging cables. There's literally just trash coming out of here. Whatever, an Ethernet boot, just one apparently. Let's see what else I got in here. Charging thing. Screwdriver. Crimper. This backpack's deep. I like it. Another screwdriver. This one's a multi-bit screwdriver. I love this one. I can take this one anywhere with me. This is good for server racks. Let's see, laptop, of course. MacBook Pro, we're gonna put this on the floor so I can break that later by stepping on it. Lots of paper. Second cell phone for when I travel, so that way I always have some way to communicate. Oh yeah, so this is the iPhone XS. Fits perfectly in this top pouch right here. It's probably not where I'll leave it. Alright, let's check out the hidden compartment. Alright, that's everything. So that's everything I currently have in my bag. Oh, and I forgot, this one's actually has a camel back. Or you can put a camel or water bag or pouch in the rear of it. I forgot about that, actually. Never use it. Alright, so that's all the old stuff. But typically I'll also carry toolkit, more adapter cables. It really depends on what I'm doing. Usually always have a battery bank with me because you never know when you might need it. Ethernet cable, because you can never have enough of those when you're on the job site. I also like to carry around a short extension cable for power. So that way if like I'm traveling or if I'm at a job site, I can always get a little bit of extra room or space from an outlet. Always like to carry SD cards, thumb drives. Usually always have those in the bag, but not always. Can never have enough pens, so I always have at least 2. And that's usually all I have for the most part. Now, obviously a lot of the stuff cycles out. It really depends on what I'm doing. Like any one of these tools can come with me. Pretty much anything you see on this back wall is totally eligible for going in my tech bag, so that would be nice. All right. Wow, there's gonna be so much room in here. I'm not gonna even be able to fill this up. Okay, so first things first, MacBook Pro. So this is the 2019, 2020 version. That fits perfectly in there. We're gonna put, normally I would put all my extra stuff in the front, but those pockets are a little small, so we're just gonna stick those in the bottom. That'll be nice. Battery bank. gonna go up top. Looks like right here's a good spot. Oh, I think I could also put this on the side here. Yeah, there's a little cable pass through, so I might be able to put it on the side. Let's switch that out. Ooh, this one's hard to open. There we go. Oh, okay, that's cool. So it's got a secondary pouch in it. It's got so many little pouches. Pouch here, pouch here. Battery bank barely fits, but if I really needed to, could pass any one of these USB cables through to charge my phone or other electronic. Obviously, it wouldn't be sticking out like this. It'd be cable managed, but you get the idea. So we're gonna put that in there for now. Let's close this up because I don't think I'm gonna put anything else in here. Maybe like if I traveled, to have like plane tickets in this pouch. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe ID? I doubt it. Depends on where I am. We're gonna put cables right here. Adapters also in these smaller pouches. Headphones, wired headphones. Yes, I actually do have wireless headphones somewhere. Oh, there they are. Home or AirPods. I usually like to have both with me because sometimes you might need to plug into something. So I'm just gonna stuff those all in the same pocket, right at the top. Post-it notes go in there. I guess all these big cables can just go in the front pouch. Why do I have so many cables? For power, or USB. Velcro straps. We've got lots of options here. I guess I'll just stuff that up front too. Oh, did you see that? Even though it's back heavy, it still stands up on its own. Oh wow, that's gonna be so nice to have. Okay, tools, so I guess we'll just kind of randomly assort them. Ooh, that's nice. Doesn't really slip around much. Let's pretend I need all these. Oh yeah, I like that. All right, and this pouch will be, we're gonna take that out. We're gonna stick this up here, I guess. And this pouch is still gonna be my catch-all. Just all go in there. Matches. I've traveled with these matches all the time and no one ever says anything. Usually take them on the plane with me by accident because I forget they're in there. USB, we're gonna stick these in the front zipper, one of the front zippers. Screwdrivers, both of them. Oh yeah, this will be, oh, this is cool. So I can finally, I usually take a bunch of these network boots with me when I make cables. So this will be nice. I can just literally pour them in there and quick access them now. Something I've always wanted. I will put this, I don't know. I guess it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna put this on the side. No. I'm gonna put it in the front. I'm just gonna stick it right in here. I have a dedicated place for pens now. I don't know why I put those in there. So we're gonna stick this one right there. Oh, and this gel pen right next to it so I can leak out all over the place. Carabiner. We're just gonna stick that back on the side. Oh, forgot the toolkit. I guess I'm just gonna stick that one in the bottom of this too. Bam. That's everything. This will be neat to have. Be able to lock these amongst each other. I've never had a bag like that, but I've always kind of wanted one. I like how these look like they're water resistant as well. Never have a bag with that either. All right, well, that's pretty much everything. Oh, forgot. One important thing. Gotta stay hydrated. Hydrohomies. So this will go on the inside, I think. Oh yeah. That's nice and snug. So now I always have water with me. Which, by the way, I could hang on the outside if I really wanted to. Probably on one of the mini straps on the side. Oh, this is nice. All right, first time wearing it. it's like my size already. Okay. Oh yeah, that's nice. I better take this off. I don't want to touch the mic. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. It actually like sits up on my back. Most of my backpacks have always just kind of slowly slid further and further back. Definitely, the weight's definitely distributed nicely. I don't know about you guys, but in the past, but when your backpack's heavy, you kind of do this number. And you're just to make it, to ease the stress off your shoulders, I guess. This is nice. I could get used to this. It's different. I feel a little warm here, but it's not terrible. I don't know. I like it. Me and Linus are about the same height. We both shop at Baby Gap. I like it. All right. I think this is gonna make the cut. And the crazy part is, one thing I'm not used to having from this point is I still have a bunch of storage. I still have so much room for activities inside of this thing. All right. Well, there you have it. I don't think I've covered everything with the bag. This wasn't really meant to. I know there's a secret compartment back here. Yeah, there it is. Really hard to show. So, oh, this must be RFID blocking, I think. Yeah, I think he said that. Put my passport in there. One thing I've never used, but I'd definitely like to have. So this is for the, like if you want to put it on the back of your luggage. Good for just tuck this away. I'm probably just gonna fold this away eventually and leave it tucked away. I'll probably never use it. I don't like to put things down. That's it. That's the bag. So we'll see how this thing holds up. I guess maybe I'll make a video in about a year and see if I still like it or hate it. Hopefully this thing lasts 10 years. My last backpack was $50, so in today's money that's probably like $80, $90. So what, $269 for this after shipping and taxes? Hoping to get 10 years out of it, because if not, I'm gonna be kind of upset, but this is hopefully the last backpack I ever buy. And I am super happy with it so far. I've never done that to a backpack. Oh, yes. I forgot it's padded down here. I don't have to worry about breaking anything. All right, we're done. I'm done with this. All right, see ya.